Decoding GMAT Essay Prompts. Dive into understanding the argument. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving deep into the GMAT essay writing section, focusing particularly on the understanding the argument prompt. If you've ever been stumped by what's being asked of you, fear not. We're here to break it down. Let's get started. The understanding the argument prompt, often found in the GMAT essay section, challenges test takers to critically evaluate a given argument. It's not just about agreeing or disagreeing, but about analyzing the logic, evidence, and reasoning presented. In essence, it's an exercise in critical thinking and effective communication. When faced with the understanding the argument prompt, focus on these core elements. 1. Main conclusion. What is the primary point the author is trying to convey? 2. Supporting evidence. What facts, statistics, or examples does the author provide? 3. Assumptions. What underlying beliefs or statements are taken for granted? By honing in on these elements, you can more accurately and effectively address the prompt. In responding to the prompt. 1. Summarize the argument. Begin by briefly outlining the main conclusion and supporting evidence. 2. Analyze the strengths and weaknesses. Discuss what the argument does well and where it falls short. 3. Provide your perspective. State whether you find the argument convincing or not and explain why. Remember, the goal is not to merely agree or disagree but to provide a thoughtful, reasoned response. Being too subjective. Stick to analyzing the argument's content, not bringing in unrelated personal opinions. Ignoring assumptions. Overlooking the underlying assumptions can weaken your analysis. Failing to organize. A well-structured response with clear paragraphs and logical flow can make a big difference. And that wraps up our deep dive into the GMAT's Understanding the Argument prompt. With these insights, you're better equipped to tackle any argumentative essay that comes your way. Happy studying, and remember, it's not about right or wrong. It's about clear, critical thinking. Hope this video has illuminated your path to mastering GMAT essay prompts.